When you go out there for family camping, it's not always easy to make everything run according to the plan. Lots of issues arise, and we have to face some unwanted problems that often fade away the actual fun. If you know which gadgets to bring on the campsite that suit for a family camping trip, you can certainly make the trip more entertaining. So in this video, I am going to introduce you with 10 coolest family camping gadgets, which I am sure you will find useful too. So let's start. Since you're traveling with your family, there can be children with you who can accidentally get lost in the woods. Meet LynQ, a location tracking device that will make sure that you or your kids don't get lost while you are at the campsite. LynQ uses algorithms that blend GPS with a custom antenna for connection anywhere under an open sky. It has a range of up to 3 miles and its powerful battery can power it for up to 3 days. It is easy to use because of its one-button interface. It comes with a display that will show real-time distance and direction of every member of your group at all times. LynQ has a safe zone feature that will let you create a perimeter, and if anyone is out of that area, it will alert you. You can also set a location where you and your friends can meet up or return to if they are lost. Even though LynQ is a small device that can fit in your pocket, it is still made of durable waterproof material, which ensures that it can withstand the harshest environment. If you want a location tracking device so that you or your friends do not lose their way in the woods, then you should go for LynQ. At the camping ground, there will be lots of other groups, so it is quite possible to lose your stuffs. But with the CamG Plus camping security device, you will be able to keep your family and outdoor gear safe and secured. This device weighs only 220 grams, so it is easy to carry anywhere you want. It has a large battery capacity of 3500 milliamps, having a long lifetime. The CamG Plus features a motion detector which can sense movement and heat within the range of 5 meters and send an alarm to CamG Plus linked smartphone to defeat intruders and prevent theft. Also with CamG Plus, you can prevent exposure to the most dangerous carbon monoxide during camping. Applying strict carbon monoxide warning standards based on EL and EU, you can monitor the levels of excessive carbon monoxide. The function of mosquito control of CamG Plus will fight with unwanted mosquitoes so that you can enjoy your camping time. It uses ultrasonic wave 17.4 kHz to keep mosquito away from you. The CamG Plus is built with 150 lumen, 200 lumen, and 250 lumens of LED lights that can replace your broken lantern at the dark campsite. The CamG Plus security device can be a great solution regarding the securities of your belongings at outdoor camping. If you want to have a sit together and have fun with your friends and families at your camping trip, a sun shelter can give you protection with convenience. Introducing the Kelty Big Shady, the ultimate tribal center for any outdoor trips, comes with a lot of conveniences. Kelty is one of the market leaders in manufacturing all the greatest outdoor gear and accessories, which are made to last long and inspire you to rediscover the joy of spontaneous play every day. Measuring 160 by 130 inches and covering a fantastic 151 square feet of ground space, the Big Shady is constructed with 68 denier waterproof fabric with a respectable rating of 1800 millimeters. The wide welcoming entryway of the shelter provides ample room for spectating any celebration going or any beautiful view. The sides and rear of the shelter dip a bit low. effectively blocking out low-angle sun and horizontal rain to give you ultimate comfort. This non-freeze standing shelter is totally roomy, having a palatial living space which allows big footprint with room for table plus 6 chairs. This shelter also has 4 interior pockets to keep your necessary tools and gear close to your hands and keep them organized. It comes with a big duffel bag so you can bring the Big Shady and its components more easily and conveniently. The Big Shady shelter stands ready to protect you, your friends and your gear, equally at backyard, on the beach, at a festival or at the campsite. So if your purpose is something like this shelter would be a great pick. At the family camping trip, cooking is the most entertaining part, which you will always want to go hassle-free. Introducing the BioLite BaseCamp, which is a little wood-burning stove built for base camp and portable enough to be brought at anywhere. The BioLite creates affordable, durable products designed to cook, charge, and light off-grid households by harnessing surrounding easily. This fuel-efficient stove looks like a small Stanley cup on stilts, and the wood is loaded into its burn chamber, which is the bottom portion of the Stanley cup, through a window in its side. The grill stove top includes a small flap covering the furnace exhaust, which can be left open for den. Controlled heat source or the closed flap can disperse the heat throughout the stovetop, which is the preferred usage for normal grilling. It also features a small thermoelectric generator, which turns the heat into electric power, with which you can even power a small fan that feeds into the furnace. This power pack also has a USB port in which you can plug LED lamp, which will help you to see what are cooking in the dark, and you can use it to charge your phone too. This BaseCamp is a fantastic piece of technology which is innovative, energy efficient, and also eco-friendly. Overall, if you want a greener grill for camping or in your backyards, then this is a fine choice that will cut down your fuel costs. In the campsite, obviously you cannot bring your kitchen, but you have to cook without having the kitchen facilities, which you may find troublesome. But imagine having a portable kitchen that can provide home kitchen-like experience even in outdoor. Introducing Aioks from iKamper, a portable outdoor kitchen that can enhance your cooking experience no matter where you are. To hold this motto, they came up with the Aioks outdoor kitchen system. It comes with 2-burner system that can provide 7500 BTU of power that allows you to conveniently cook your favorite meals in outdoors. The Aioks provides a spacious seating area for up to 4 people comfortably, so that you can enjoy your favorite dishes with friends and family. Weighing at around 20 pounds, it fits all of your outdoor kitchen needs in an aluminum box, making it super compact and portable to carry it anywhere. If you want your cooking experience become more easy and comfortable, then the Aioks outdoor kitchen system can be a great solution for you. When you are on a camping trip, you're surely going to face some real troubles to wash your clothes, as you are not getting home-like facilities. Introducing Drumi from Yirego, a foot-powered washing machine that helps you clean wherever you go. Yirego is a product design company that is geared toward providing sustainable solution through unconventional design. Drumi is the world's first non-electric washer that works by using its foot pedal. With this machine, you can wash your clothes without any electricity. It can wash up to 4.5 pounds laundry in just 5 to 10 minutes, and also you can carry delicates in just 30 seconds. You can easily remove drum from the washer, which will help you to access inside and clean it. You can use Drumi to wash your personal laundry, pets' clothes, or babies' cloth diapers without cross-contamination between laundry. The Drumi is built to last and made with 304 stainless steel, aluminum alloy drive system, and ASA engineered plastic. The Yirego Drumi foot power washing machine is built fully eco-friendly and it suits anywhere you want. So if you want to make your life a lot easier at the trip, this can be a go-to gadget. Finding a power source is a great problem at any outdoor adventure. If you are on a camping trip with your family, you don't want to be disconnected from the world due to power shortage. So that's why here we present MAXOAK BLUETTI EB150 portable power station, a latest technology-empowered power station for outdoors. MAXOAK Technology Company is one of the large-scale battery manufacturers in China, exists in the market since 1999. This portable power station can run big power devices, so you can bring it at campsite to keep all of your devices alive. The power station is powered by 1500 watt-hour lithium-ion battery cell from LG and can be charged either directly through a solar panel or from an AC wall plug. The BLUETTI power station is capable of providing up to 1000 watts of 120 volt AC power with dual AC outlets that can run large power-consuming appliances under 1000 watts such as TV, mini refrigerator, blender, fans, lights, and many more. Also, there is a 12-volt DC port that can be used to run car-powered devices like mini car fridge, car vacuum, or car cigarette lighter. It has one PD Type-C port to charge devices such as MacBook and other PD charging-enabled laptops. It also has 4 USB ports to charge devices like phones, tablets, cameras. Its integrated LCD display shows the remaining power, battery status, and power input and output status. Massive power capacity and solar charging capability of the MAXOAK BLUETTI EB150 make it possible to live completely off the grid for a more extended period of time, and with the sun power charging capacity, you won't need to stress overcharging. Having fresh supplies of food and beverages in long extended camping trip sometimes becomes an issue, as it is not always possible to have cold storage on the campsite. So to resolve this issue, we have found the Dometic CFX 95 DZW, a perfect freezer for food suitable for small groups on extended trips or large groups going away for the weekend. It comes with dual zone cooling compartment which can refrigerate and freeze simultaneously. This refrigerator freezer has an adjustable cooling system that lets you control its temperature from 10 to 21 degrees Celsius. With a massive 85-liter storage capacity, the Dometic CFX 100-watt represents the largest dual-zone portable cooler in the CFX range. It comes with multiple power options like 24-volt DC and 240-volt AC and can run from your car's 12-volt cigarette port, so you won't need to worry about its power source. It features a digital LCD display which allows you to adjust temperature, battery protection, and brightness. You can also use the Dometic CFX app to control this device without even touching it. Thermoplastic polymer construction, reinforced corners, and fully insulated lid with stainless steel hinges makes this fridge and freezer the perfect food storage space for outdoors. This refrigerator freezer can keep all of your foods and beverages fresh and cool for an extended period of time on any outdoor trip. If you don't want to starve at the camping trip, get this gadget fast. If you own an SUV and want to have a camping trip with your closest ones, then having a rooftop tent will be fascinating and thrilling while having experience of off-grid living. Introducing the iKamper Skycamp 2.0 rooftop tent, an ideal rooftop featuring everything you need to make your trip enjoyable. iKamper has been making road trip accessories with passion and perfection, and now you can enjoy the easiest and most comfortable camping experience imaginable with the Skycamp 2.0 rooftop tent. It comes with an expandable king-size mattress which can offer ample living space for sleeping for up to 4 people so that you can enjoy a good night's sleep after a day long of adventure. The Skycamp 2.0 windows consist of 3 parts: an inner see-through vinyl window, a mesh one, and an outer polyester one. The outer window can either be rolled up or turned into a canopy. The tent uses insulating polycotton fabric to make it more breathable and hard-shell locking strap locks to give you peace of mind. Its aerodynamic and lightweight design make it perfect for any road trip, and thanks to its universal mount, this tent can be mounted on most vehicles easily. If you are in the market for an innovative rooftop tent for your camping or road trip, then the Kamper Skycamp 2.0 is the right choice for you. For spending some quality times with the family and friends in a well-planned camping trip, your must-have essential should be an ideal family tent. Introducing the Vango AirBeam Anantara Air TC 600XL, a large spacious family tent that is made to give a great camping experience. Vango is a pioneer of AirBeam inflatable tents and air awnings, making great kit for camping and touring, so that you can relax and enjoy the great outdoors. This air tent is using a near upright wall structure, providing greater internal living space. Combined with a vast conservatory front with additional porch door, it features skylight windows which run along the roofline of the tent to increase the amount of light during the day and are perfect for stargazing at night. It also features built-in front awning to provide extra enclosed space, perfect for socializing, dining, and storage. There are zipped privacy curtains which are simple and quick to use. For comfortable night sleep, there are super king bedrooms along with a deep sleep for ultimate comfort and convenience. It is crafted with deluxe Sentinel signature TC flysheet and storm anchor webbing straps, ensuring performance in adverse weather. This tent features air speed valve that makes it inflate and deflate your tent effortlessly in just a minute. If you are planning for an extended family camping in outdoors, this multiple-roomed spacious tent can be an ideal option for you. So that was all about the 10 coolest family camping gadgets for outdoor. Like, share, and comment your thoughts below if you like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this on your feed.